Today we'll be demonstrating how to replace a storm door closer with Swisco's product code 40-080 Touch and Hold Door Closer. This repair project requires a Phillips head screwdriver, pliers, and a drill. Start by removing the current closer. Set the door open with the hold open washer. Then, using pliers, relieve the tension from the closer and take the pins out from both brackets. Unhook the closer piston from the door bracket to fully remove. Now, uninstall your fasteners from the door and jamb. Ours is held in place with hex bolts, which isn't common, so remove yours however necessary. To attach your door bracket to the closer piston, unassemble the O-ring and pin from the door bracket, then reassemble it on the closer piston. This will temporarily hold the bracket in place while you're installing the jamb bracket. Now you can secure the jamb bracket with the included fasteners. For this door, we're able to reuse the existing installation holes. But if you're installing in a new spot, remember to drill pilot holes first. Slip the closer piston into the jamb bracket, then secure it in place with the new pin. Attach the temporary spacer to ensure you leave enough room for the closer to function properly. Next, determine the placement of the door bracket and drill new pilot holes if needed. Unassemble the O-ring and pin from the closer piston again. Then, secure the closer bracket to the door, making sure the arrow on the bracket is pointed toward the closer. With the closer installed to the door, assemble with the O-ring and pin one last time. Now discard the temporary spacer and use a Phillips head screwdriver to adjust the closing tension to your preference. For this part and more, visit us at swisco.com.